Hi guys, today discuss about automation testing. Previously I am discussed manual testing full course in and first of all you watch that video and I'm providing description and check it out. And today we will discuss automation testing, what to start automation testing, what is the precondition post condition in automation testing, and how to decide on automation testing, and what drawbacks of manual testing. I will discuss these questions in this video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And our first question, what is what to start automation testing? Okay, what to start automation testing. And first of all, what is automation testing? What is automation testing? That question is raised so many people, and that question is, what is automation testing? Testing an application with third party software apps helps our automation tools is called automation testing. We testing an application is starting with third party applications, third party softwares to help automation tools. Our automation tools is called as a automation testing, and converting manual test cases into automation scripts in form of code is called automation testing. Converting manual test cases into automation scripts, converting automation scripts in form of code, and is called automation testing. Previous video, class 1 video, will discuss this type of question, and automation testing starting from test cases, and manual testing starting from requirement understanding. Manual test done by the human interactions, and automation done by the tools. Okay, these are the what is automation testing. And this question, what to start automation testing? What to start automation testing? This question is simply question. Okay, and what to start automation testing? Automation testing starts on regression phase, the test cases also. Regression and test cases, these are similarly connected. And test cases is actual result, expected result based on results. Expected result, actual results is same, that is a pass. And this regression testing also, regression testing is any update, any bug, check the bug and check the build. These are the concept. And check the bug, and we will to help to automation tools. And suppose we take a Gmail app, some Gmail app there, Gmail app. So as simple as one Gmail app login page creating, one login page, developer creating one login page using tester use the login page. We create 10 test cases whenever 10 test cases. Okay, when another test case, another page index page to develop the build to, and tester the build to testing, and create 20 test cases. Comparing the two things, and build 1 build 2, increase the test cases. Increase the number of test cases to execute also increase. To comparing to build 1 build 2, increase the test cases. Same and another build 3, also increasing the test cases, increasing the build. And same and build 1 login page and v1 10 test cases, build 2 and 20 test cases, build 3 30 test cases, and build 4 40 test cases. To choose one build, to increase every build one by one, and 10 20 plus 30, and 30 plus 20 plus 10 60, and 40 30 20 10 is 100. These the 100 test cases. Every build is increasing the test cases and increasing the test cases and increasing the builds. And manual testing is starting from day one of the project. In day one of the project, and why? Because is a manual testing is the first requirement understanding the of the day one of the project. And these the reason start to regression testing phase. Okay, what to start automation testing? Answer is start to regression phase. Why? Because build 1 build 2 increasing the test cases. The test cases will create bug reporting and existing features, existing new features. All these are things consider the main things. Okay, and next question: what are the preconditions and post preconditions prerequisites to start automation testing? First reason is application should be stable. Consider as application should be stable. Stable means constant, and every application is reporting bugs, and tester reporting bugs and reporting errors are there. But automation testing is consider first rule is application should be stable. No bugs, no anything about the build application, anything. First we will check on application should be stable. Okay, next point we will discuss test cases steps should be freezed. Test cases steps should be freezed maximum and 10 to 5 10 10 to 5, maximum 10 to 5 test cases are is minimum, and maximum 10 to 10 5 to 10 test cases are considered in the should be freezed. Okay, that means satisfied. When two statements, these are two statements satisfied. When these are two statements is satisfied, that is that automations to running the satisfy the automation to working on the application. Okay, if simply two conditions. One condition, an application should be stable means constant, and second, test cases steps should be freezed. Okay, and questions are there another question is another question: how to decide tool in project? How to decide tool in project? And already previous class I will discuss why choose selenium, why advantages of selenium I will discuss once more. And first of all is a API. API means API means application programming interface. Main advantage, and different components are there, and different components are there, and different all different programmings are there, different platforms are eligible, comfortable different platforms, comfortable in different languages, comfortable in browsers. All these things are considered as a consider the main. Okay, that's the reasons why decide automation tool in the project. Okay, and what is the drawbacks of manual testing? Manual testing drawbacks are five in drawbacks. First drawback is required more time. Is lots of time taking process in manual testing. Manual testing is a time taking process in software testing. Okay, and another one is required more resources and employees. This manual testing is required more resources or employees, and required also more budget, and because salaries, and performing reporting activities, and daily reporting activities, and chances of human errors. So many human errors chancing, some human errors. That's the reasons of manual testing drawbacks. These are the questions we will discussing today. And simply, what to start automation testing is regression test to start automation testing, precondition for pre-request to start automation, stable application should be stable, and test cases should be freezed, and decide how to decide automation tools in the project. And these question are simple question, and and automation tools is very important. As selenium is very advantageous and main things are there. That's the reason. Drawbacks are more time, more resources, more budget, repeatedly activities, human errors. These are the things, and that reasons, uh, these are questions are just. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and next video will discuss so many things. And thank you.